G'day guys, welcome to Purewax Car Care Products. My name's Chris and today we're going to be talking a little bit about a ceramic coating, car shampoo. It's a concentrated, high foaming, pH balanced soap designed for paint on all vehicles, but particularly designed for those that have had a ceramic coating. Okay guys, so quick how to use. First things first, take the seal out of the cap here. Once you've done that, put around about 40 mils into a bucket of water. Again, don't need too much, but what I then do is I'll actually use my foam pressure washer just to get a bit of foam. Mixed up nicely, and now I'm actually going to give this Ford Ranger a nice demo wash. Again, a lot of people are very nervous about what to use on their ceramic coated paint, but this one is tried and tested, super safe, pH balanced as we mentioned, and really, really good at getting rid of that dirt and grime off the protected paint.